right angle triangle. There's a few things we can be asked about this. We can be asked to find its area, we can be asked to find some of the angles inside of it, and we can ask to find the lengths of any of the sides. So let's start by finding the area, but to do that we'll have to put some numbers in to help us out. So let's imagine that this is 10 centimetres and that this is 11 centimetres. Okay? To find the area, the rhyme is half the base times the height. Get that into your head. Area, half the base times the height. So in this case, half the base would be 5. So area equals half the base, which is 5, times by the height, which is 11, and that would be 55. And because it's an area, centimetres squared. So area, half the base, times the height. If we're looking for the length of this side here, that's where we use Pythagoras. That's where we've got to say either square, square, add square root, or square, square, take away square root. Now, because we're looking for what I call the slanty side, the longest side, we're going to use square, square, add square root. If we were looking for one of the shorter sides, it would have been square, square, take away square root. What that means is we're going to do 11 squared, that's square, 10 squared, square, so that's the square, square. We're going to add those answers and then square root. So 11 squared would be 121, 10 squared would be 100, and that gives us 221. Now this is not 221 centimetres. To finish, we've got a square root 221. And again, on your calculator, square root of 221 would be 14.9 centimetres to 1 decimal place. Ask yourself, is that a sensible answer? Well, if that's 10 and that's 11, that feels like it should be around about 14 or 15 centimetres. If that's coming out at a strange answer, check it out again. So square, square, add square root. Square, square, add square root when we're looking for the long side. Okay?